If Photopea is opening to a white screen, blank workspace, or a broken-looking interface, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This is one of those issues that can look serious, but in most cases it's caused by a browser cache problem, an extension conflict, a saved theme setting, or a rendering issue. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's fix the Photopea white screen error. First, start with a hard refresh. This forces your browser to re-download Photopea's scripts and style files instead of loading an older broken version from cache. If you're on Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, F5, or Ctrl, Shift, and R. After that, give Photopea a moment to reload and check whether the interface appears normally. If the screen is still white, the next thing to check is your ad blocker or browser extensions. Extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, Brave Shields, or other strict content filters can sometimes block Photopea assets by mistake. When that happens, the app may not load correctly and you can end up with a blank or incomplete screen. Try turning off your ad blocker temporarily or whitelist photopea.com in the extension settings. Then refresh the page again and see if Photopea loads properly. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to clear the site data and local storage for Photopea. Old saved data can sometimes keep a bad theme setting or broken state in your browser. To do this, click the padlock or tune icon next to the Photopea address in your browser bar. Then open Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data. From there, choose Clear Data, then reload Photopea. This gives the site a fresh start and often fixes white screen issues caused by corrupted browser storage. Now, if Photopea is loading but the interface still looks wrong, partially blank, or stuck on a bright white theme, check the theme settings inside the app itself. In the top menu, go to More, then Theme, and select Dark or Black. Sometimes the Workspace style sheet doesn't apply properly, and switching the theme manually forces Photopea to redraw the interface correctly. If the main menus appear, but only the center canvas area is white, the issue may be related to hardware acceleration or WebGL. This can happen on some computers, especially if the graphics driver or browser rendering is having trouble. To fix that, go to More, then Settings in Photopea, and uncheck Use WebGL. After that, refresh the tab so Photopea can switch to CPU-based rendering instead of relying on the graphics engine. In many cases, this immediately fixes the white canvas problem. If you've gone through all of these steps, Photopea should now load normally and the white screen error should be gone. The key is to work through the fixes in order. First refresh, then disable extensions, then clear site data, then reset the theme, and finally disable WebGL if needed. That way, you can narrow down the exact cause and get back to editing without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you fix Photopea, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.